Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a new lesson about writing equation in point slope form. We studied before y-intercept form and standard form. Let's talk today about point slope form. To find point slope form, you should have one point and and slope. You should have one point and slope. For example, if you have one point like x1, y1 and slope m, then you can find or write this equation. For example, if you have a line drawn like this, and he give you the slope for this line, for example, he says the slope of this line equal 3, and this line passing through the point, let this point 2 and 4, then how can we write the equation in point slope form? First, write formula y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. The second step, you substitute. How? For example, we said we need what? Point and slope. This is x1, y1. Okay, let's substitute here. Y minus y1 is 4 equal. Slope here is 3 multiply x minus x1 here. Where is x1 here? Is 2. Then the equation of a line in point slope form will be y minus 4 equal 3 multiply x minus 2. More questions? Write equation of a line passing through the point here and slope. You have a slope given. First, you should write the formula here. This one, y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. The second step, like we said, we should substitute by using point and slope. This y1 is, this is x1, y1, okay? y1 here is 2, y minus 2 equal. Slope here is negative 3. Multiply x minus x1. x1 here is 2. Then we done, and we have now point slope form for this line passing through this point and its slope negative 3. What about the second question? You have also point here and you have a slope. Okay, we need to write the equation y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. The second step, like we said, we should substitute with the point we have and slope. Then we should write y minus y1 is negative 3 equal slope here is, where is slope here? 1 over 3. Multiply x minus x1 here is 3. Y minus minus 3 or y negative negative 3, it will be positive. Then the final answer will be y plus 3 equal 1/3 multiply x minus 3. Then this is the final form for point slope for this line. More question? How can we find point slope from the graph? Same, by using the slope of from the graph and by using a point. Here we have x1, y1, and you have here a slope. First, write equation formula like we have here. Y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. Okay, we have here y minus y1 here is negative 2 equal slope is 3 multiply x minus x1 here is negative 1. Then negative negative will be positive equal, what about this one? 3 multiply x minus minus, it will be plus. Then the final answer will be y plus 2 equal 3 multiply x plus 1. The same for this, we write y minus, let's do it direct. Where is y1 here? This x1, y1. Y minus y1 here is negative 2 equal slope. Slope, where is the slope here? Slope is negative 1. multiply x minus x1. Where is x1 here? Is 1. Now, y negative negative will be positive. Negative 1, we can just write it negative, opposite the bracket, like this. Negative bracket x minus 1. Then the final answer for this line, point slope form, will be y plus 2 equal negative, multiply x minus 1. What about if we have horizontal line like this? Okay, it's same. You have point, you have slope. Y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. The next step here, what should we do? We substitute like we said before. Y minus y1 here is negative 3 equal m, slope here is 0, multiply x minus x1 here is 2. Negative negative will be positive like this. 0 multiply anything, this is all will be 0. Okay, then the answer would be y plus 3 equals 0. Also, you can move this 3 in other side to write it like this. Okay, pay attention. All horizontal lines, its equation will be just y equal, no x. And all vertical lines, its equation will be just x equal. Okay, then in this case, if you have any horizontal line or vertical line, you don't need to write this formula. For point slope or y-intercept, you can do it direct. How? For example, look at this. This is line, vertical line, okay? It's a drawing here from x1. Then the equation of this line will be x equal 1. Top. Another one here, it's drawing from, for example, negative 4. Then the equation of vertical line, we said always will be x equal what here? Negative 4. What about horizontal line? Horizontal line will be y equal. For example, look at here. For example, this horizontal line drawing from 2. Then we said y equal 2. This horizontal line drawing from negative 3. Then we said y equal negative 3. Then in this question, we don't need to write this formula. We can set it direct. This is horizontal line, then y equal. Y equal what? This is x and this is y. Then from the point on the line, you can know the answer. Y equal negative 3. Also remember, vertical line, its slope. Its slope will be 1 over 0 undefined. And horizontal line like this, its slope always will be 0. Then in this case, we can say from the slope here is 0, yes? Then this is horizontal line. Then its equation will be, horizontal will be always y equal. Y equal, this is x, this is y. Then we take it negative 4. Now we finish our lesson today, and I hope to see you again in next lesson. Bye bye.